The phone is on the desk.
The phone is on the desk.
The bird is in the cage.
The bird is in the cage.
My wallet is under the pillow.
My wallet is under the pillow.
The fan is above the bed.
The fan is above the bed.
The dog is behind the fence.
The dog is behind the fence.
The clock is on the wall.
The clock is on the wall.
The flowers are in the vase.
The flowers are in the vase.
The TV is in front of the sofa.
The TV is in front of the sofa.
The lamp is by the window.
The lamp is by the window.
The towel is on the hook.
The towel is on the hook.
We eat dinner at 8 p.m.
We eat dinner at 8 p.m.
She was born in July.
She was born in July.
He left on Saturday.
He left on Saturday.
I work in the afternoon.
I work in the afternoon.
They arrived at dawn.
They arrived at dawn.
She swims in summer.
She swims in summer.
We rest at night.
We rest at night.
He studies in winter.
He studies in winter.
The shop opens at 10.
The shop opens at 10.
The event is on Tuesday.
The event is on Tuesday.
He ran towards the gate.
He ran towards the gate.
She walked into the shop.
She walked into the shop.
They came from the village.
They came from the village.
He jumped over the box.
He jumped over the box.
She drove through the tunnel.
She drove through the tunnel.
The kite flew above the trees.
The kite flew above the trees.
He walked across the street.
He walked across the street.
The mouse ran under the table.
The mouse ran under the table.
They moved away from the fire.
They moved away from the fire.
The train passed by the station.
The train passed by the station.
He stood beside me.
He stood beside me.
The car is in front of the store.
The car is in front of the store.
The shop is next to the bank.
The shop is next to the bank.
The bike is behind the car.
The bike is behind the car.
The boy is among his friends.
The boy is among his friends.
The office is near the school.
The office is near the school.
She sat across from me.
She sat across from me.
He leaned against the wall.
He leaned against the wall.
The bottle is inside the bag.
The bottle is inside the bag.
The umbrella is outside the room.
The umbrella is outside the room.
I waited for you.
I waited for you.
She smiled at him.
She smiled at him.
He looked at the stars.
He looked at the stars.
They talked about the book.
They talked about the book.
I am good at math.
I am good at math.
She is afraid of spiders.
She is afraid of spiders.
He is proud of his son.
He is proud of his son.
They laughed at the joke.
They laughed at the joke.
She is interested in music.
She is interested in music.
We are tired of waiting.
We are tired of waiting.
He painted with red paint.
He painted with red paint.
I fixed it with glue.
I fixed it with glue.
She came by bus.
She came by bus.
We traveled by air.
We traveled by air.
He hit the nail with a hammer.
He hit the nail with a hammer.
She opened it with a key.
She opened it with a key.
I cut it with scissors.
I cut it with scissors.
They reached by boat.
They reached by boat.
He wrote the letter with a pen.
He wrote the letter with a pen.
She cleaned the floor with a mop.
She cleaned the floor with a mop.
I went with Tom.
I went with Tom.
She danced with her brother.
She danced with her brother.
He talked to his dad.
He talked to his dad.
I sat with Sarah.
I sat with Sarah.
They walked with their dog.
They walked with their dog.
I waved at her.
I waved at her.
She laughed with her friend.
She laughed with her friend.
I spoke to my uncle.
I spoke to my uncle.
He played with his cousin.
He played with his cousin.
She sang with a smile.
She sang with a smile.
I sat in class.
I sat in class.
The pillow is on the bed.
The pillow is on the bed.
The clock is above the board.
The clock is above the board.
The eraser is under the notebook.
The eraser is under the notebook.
The ruler is in the box.
The ruler is in the box.
I read in the library.
I read in the library.
She stood at the gate.
She stood at the gate.
He hid behind the curtain.
He hid behind the curtain.
We played outside school.
We played outside school.
The ball rolled into the room.
The ball rolled into the room.
They live in Canada.
They live in Canada.
He is from Japan.
He is from Japan.
We went to Italy.
We went to Italy.
She moved to New York.
She moved to New York.
He came from Spain.
He came from Spain.
The ship sailed across the ocean.
The ship sailed across the ocean.
The eagle flew over the valley.
The eagle flew over the valley.
The bridge goes over the river.
The bridge goes over the river.
We walked around the town.
We walked around the town.
She stayed in a cabin.
She stayed in a cabin.
The light is above the mirror.
The light is above the mirror.
My book is under your bag.
My book is under your bag.
He looked into the box.
He looked into the box.
I ran out of sugar.
I ran out of sugar.
She turned towards me.
She turned towards me.
The kitten jumped onto the bed.
The kitten jumped onto the bed.
We sat around the table.
We sat around the table.
I waited outside the hall.
I waited outside the hall.
He lives far from the city.
He lives far from the city.
They walked past the garden.
They walked past the garden.